Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel Gale. I'm a geologist here at the MGD within the Economic Minerals Unit.
Hi everyone, Damar Brown here, geological assistant at the MGD.
We are currently by the Rio Nuevo in St. Mary. The work that we're doing today is that we are looking for mineral samples for our rock hard collection. We use this collection for investors, for students, and for general education purposes.
Okay, so the key things we look for a viable deposit is that one, we look at firstly the volume. Secondly, we consider the logistics network, how far you're from the port, what will be the cost of shipping, etc. And lastly, we look at the market demand, right? We need a local market for it, as well as we consider international market, depending on who we might want to target for the result.
All right. So for geophysical technique, we use borehole logging so that we can find out more information at depth about a mineral resource. For instance, high purity limestone. And in addition to that, we use geochemical surveys, meaning when we collect a sample from a river, a beach, any other locality, we bring that sample back to our in-house laboratory. They do testing to confirm the mineral composition. And with that, now those techniques we use to find out the particular information about a sample and how it can be used.
Some challenges we face during our field work includes one, weather conditions, right? When it starts raining heavily, sometimes you can't venture into a certain area due to safety concerns. Also, sometimes vegetative cover will also pose an issue because navigating through certain vegetation will pose a challenge to one vehicles as well as by foot transportation, right?
Currently in Jamaica, the most viable mineral resource is high purity limestone. High purity limestone has a myriad of uses. It can be used in pharmaceuticals. It can be used in the paint industry. It can also be used for roadwork purposes. So high purity limestone locally as well as abroad has a variety of uses.
For when we look at a deposit that we want to consider if it's worth potentially seeing what's there, one, we look at as historical review, which means that we look at maybe the surrounding areas to see what's been mined or acquired throughout the years, right? Look at what they would have done, what they would have found, right? And that would then guide us to say, all right, let us go out and do some more research on it. As well as we have to look at the level of funding / interest. If it seems to be a hot topic right now, then yes, that will incentivize us to say, all right, let us go out and investigate if the historical reviews do show good signs and it's worth investing in.
Technology is very important for the world that we live in today. For instance, for remote sensing purposes, Google Earth is very important for the work that we do. Google Earth imagery helps us to locate potential sites for site visits. In addition to that, GIS software. Our Crow, our map are very important. It helps us to find the specific locations and specific geology in the field. What we do in-house is we look at the particular geological formations before it is that we go out on site, and we also zone what these formations can be used for commercial purposes. So that's the important, and it aids in other research and across other agencies with the work that we do as well.
So, the way we assist our clients who are interested in developing mineral resources, right? One, we will show them our mineral resource maps, right? Which shows the general resources in a given area, right? So they can use that as a primary reference point for a location on the ground. Secondly, we'll go to our archives and let them see varying reports, right? Time and time again, they may actually see a report that actually interests them, right? And from there, they can read it through, get an understanding of it, and then can make a decision on what they want to do. Additionally, we can, as a unit, we can actually go out and do a site inspection, right? And actually advise them further on what they're actually seeing, right? Lastly, if they actually have material that they're really interested in developing, we can help them get to our lab for the requisite tests that would need to be done to help prove a resource that they think that they might have.